Today I'm going to show you how I created these Vikings right here. What we need for this artwork is to find several images first. One for the face, one for the eyes, one for the nose, etc, etc. And we'll combine these images into a single face. In this video I will create two types of faces, one male and one female, so I can show you that you can do both with the same base. So let's see it. So first I will Google bald guy, and I need to find a bald guy with no facial hair so I can use his face as the base for the design. And yeah, that guy is perfect right here.
Hot damn, it's like Christmas.
So first let's cut the face out of the background. I'm going to use the pen tool so I can have a more precise selection. Actually, I'm gonna erase the ears as well because I'm going to replace them later. Now I will use the spot healing brush tool because I want to remove those blemishes. I need my face to be completely clean. And because it does not look weird enough yet, I will take the patch tool and remove all of his facial features. Yeah, that's the stuff nightmares are made for. Now back to the original artwork. You can see that I already have some facial features on the face from my previous design, but I will completely replace them later, and I will start from the nose. So I found a picture of that girl and I will cut her nose and place it on my face. With a hue and saturation adjustment that you can't see right now because I used the wrong preset on my recording, I will match the colors in order to blend the nose to the face. So now I don't really like those weird looking eyes, so I will replace them with some more natural eyes. Yeah, so I'm going to use these guy's eyes. I will cut one of them, feather the selection so I can blend it better later, position it in place. And actually I'm going to make the eye a bit bigger. So again, you can't really see that, but I'm using Liquify right now. Okay, now I'm going to mask all the unnecessary parts in order to blend the eye a bit better to my face. Yeah, that's look okay for now. So I will copy it to the other side and do the same thing. Here is lighter, so I will have to remove some extra parts from this one and add the eye as well. Make it a bit bigger. Yeah. Yeah. Looks fantastic. Now I need to find some lips. What I want for my character is to drink from a straw, so I want some lips to do that. It looks like it belongs there, but the quality is not that good. I will try to blend it a little bit to see if that does it. And now the ears. Let's put them into place behind the face. And now I'll use an actual Viking, King Harald. And I want to take his beard and hair. So I will reduce the opacity to see where the beard goes. And I will stretch it in order to fit my face. and I will create a negative mask, and then with a hair brush I will slowly paint the hair back where I want them. And I will do the same for the hair. I will cut them from the background first, and with the mask I will erase some parts so it blends with my face below. What I'm noticing right now is that the beard and hair does not match the color of the eyebrows, so I'm gonna use a hue and saturation adjustment in order to make the facial hair match the eyebrows of the character. Yeah, looks better. And what a real Viking really needs are tattoos, face tattoos actually. So let's find a good tattoo picture that we can use for his forehead. I will reduce the opacity and I will have the layer in a multiply mode so it will darken whatever is below. Okay, now I'm gonna take care of the lips. I found those beautiful lips online, and I'm gonna use the texture of the lips on that guy's fake lips that we created before, so it will look more realistic. So I will place roughly the lips above my current lips, and with a layer mask I will paint just the necessary areas that I want. Yeah, and just like that we have the desired texture on the lips. Now for the body, I'm going to use this image right here. I think it's going to look good. So I will cut the body and place it right here. It's a bit lighter at the moment, so let's make it a bit darker. And I will create some shadows to make it more realistic. So I'm creating the cast shadow from the face, and I will go to blur it a little bit. And here we have it, our first Viking. The rest of the video will be in fast forward, so you don't have to see the same things again and again. So enjoy the rest of the video. Subscribe.